are 42 different species of birds of paradise, each more bizarre than the last.
Where the hell is my mascara? Where the hell is it, Brian? I specifically asked you not to use it.
I didn't take his mascara.
It's for the date.
Date? Oh, date? Yeah, it's in my room.
Date?
Right, where is it? Okay, there you are. Perfect. Oh, hi. What the girls like?
I think they like it when the date's not late.
Jewellery. Oh, perfect. I'll give them back to you later. Thank you.
No, don't. Come on, just do it. Just do it. Oh. Oh.
Okay, other side.
James.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Come on, on three.
Okay, just
One.
do it, just do it, just do it, just do it,
Two.
just do it. Okay. Damn, okay. Damn, do I look good. Oof.
Your taxi's here.
Okay, how do I look?
No, you look good. Grand. Yeah, you'll smash it. You've just got a bit of.
Oh.
Yeah. Go on.
Brian, come on. Right, okay, yeah, everything's good. Wish me luck, guys.
Good luck. Rather him than me.
May I walk you home?
No, I'm only 2 minutes away.
Well, I'll see you later.
Me dieron la clave y no la del son. Anoche te vieron en un vacilo y tú que decías que ya ni salía, que estabas metida en casa de tu tía. Me dieron la clave y no la del son. Anoche te vieron en un vacilón. Te digo una cosa, no cambies la ruta.
What the f?